this one's not very lit up. There's an older one.
I know, yeah, what, 2004, this one?
I'm not sure if this is 2004 or 2008.
Oh.
Two different ones.
I got people mainly like FDNY and Mount Vernon. I've actually gotten one of. I've actually gotten a Yonkers Labyrinth Swallowing before.
Oh, you were in the Yonkers? You were in Yonkers Bridge before?
Operating.
Labyrinth 70, I guess.
7-0, yeah, over on.
Retired fireman. 80 years of age.
Where is he?